Welcome back to K Squared Outdoors. It's been a while, but some sad news. We just sold our boat, and we just bought a new John boat because we haven't been like fishing big lakes or taking the boat out in a while. Not even in the summertime, and we mainly fish rivers and stuff. So we decided we're just gonna buy a John boat, so we can still fish the same lakes that we were fishing, and also we can actually use it for the river, so that's a plus. But we're gonna be repairing it and restoring the boat, so stay tuned. And in this video, we're just gonna be taking the stuff off, putting new wood and cutting the wood and putting everything on there. And then in the next video, we will be like putting the carpet on. We got new carpet, everything like that. And then we're gonna be putting all the boat together in the next video. So stay tuned and hope you guys enjoy.
Mm-hmm.